Hey everybody, I have an amazing treat for you today. We're looking at The Dawn by David Weekley. Listen, this is one of my favorite builders. As usual, all of the information will be in the description. And hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Gregory Grant. I am a new construction and relocation specialist. If you're moving from a different state or if you're buying for the first time, welcome. The goal of this channel is simple. It's to mitigate the stress of buying a new construction home or relocating from out of state. You need an expert who's on the ground level looking through all of this, and I want to be the person to help you. So hey, without further ado, it's a wonderful day the Lord has made. Let's hop in. So here we have The Dawn with David Weekley. Don't worry, my voice is going to go away here in a little bit. It's one of the final opportunities here in Coral Ridge at Seabrook. It's Nakatee's premier gated community, ready late 2025 and early 2026, sitting at 4,100 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 1-story home with a 3-car garage and a half bath. Now, please enjoy the tour. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you like any of these homes that you're seeing or you want more information, reach out to me today. My number is in the description as well as my email. We can schedule a call to talk more about what's available. Now listen, if none of these homes are available, there's so many more options between Jacksonville and Pontevedra that we can take a look at. If you're buying a home for the first time, download my free buyer's guide in the description below. It'll walk you step by step on exactly what to do. Listen, I want to be the person who helps you relocate into Florida or purchase a new construction home for the first time. It's a beautiful day the Lord has made. You guys be blessed. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.